Are you tired of making awkward eye contact with your neighbors every time you step out onto your balcony or patio? In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute best, fastest growing plants that create an instant, beautiful privacy screen. You can finally relax in your own outdoor space without a single fence, no building permits, no contractors, no drama at all. If you live in an apartment, a townhouse, or a yard where the houses are packed closely together, you know this feeling. You want to drink your morning coffee in your pajamas, read a book on the deck, or just breathe in some fresh air. But you feel like you're on a stage being watched by everyone. You don't want a heavy, expensive construction project. You don't want to fight your HOA for a taller fence permit. You just want a lush green wall that blocks the view. You want something that looks incredible from your side, handles itself across all 4 seasons, and does not turn into a full-time gardening job. That is exactly what we're building today. Stick around at the end. I'm sharing a critical mistake that kills fast growth in containers. It has absolutely nothing to do with the plant itself. Stick with me, because this one tip alone is worth the entire video. First up, and honestly, one of my all-time personal favorites for an instant privacy screen right now, clumping bamboo. Let me tell you why. And I very clearly said clumping, not running. Running bamboo will aggressively take over your yard, and your neighbor's yard too. Clumping bamboo, like the gorgeous Fargesia varieties, stays exactly where you plant it. It does not creep or spread aggressively, and it grows incredibly fast. A healthy Fargesia can easily put out 3 to 5 feet of lush new growth in one season. It's evergreen, which means you keep your privacy all year round, even in the dead of winter when everything else goes bare. The best part? It thrives in large containers. So there's absolutely no need for a dedicated garden bed or a backyard. Line up 3 or 4 sleek rectangular planters all along your balcony railing, then pack them full of clumping bamboo. Within just a few months, you've got a solid, gorgeous green wall standing right where you need it. It really happens that fast. And when the wind moves through, the leaves produce a soft, calming rustle that naturally buffers street noise and muffles the sounds of loud neighbors. Next, let's talk about climbing vines, specifically star jasmine, which is an absolute game changer for anyone working with vertical space. If you've got a chain link fence, an open iron railing, or a wall where you can mount a simple trellis, this is your plant. Once it gets established, it grows explosively fast. By year 2, a single plant can cover 15 to 20 square feet of trellis. It wraps itself eagerly around whatever structure you give it, building a dense, impenetrable wall of glossy, beautiful dark green leaves. But the real magic happens in late spring and early summer, when it erupts in thousands of tiny, star-shaped white flowers. The fragrance is completely intoxicating. Your entire patio smells like a high-end resort every single evening when the temperature drops. It's practically bulletproof once it settles in, drought-tolerant, genuinely low maintenance, and absolutely at home in warm, direct summer sun all season long. If you have a trellis and a sunny spot, star jasmine will handle the rest. You barely need to think about it. Now here's one that most people completely overlook, because at the nursery, it does not look like a privacy plant at all. It looks like a sad, unimpressive little clump of grass just sitting there in a small pot. Nothing about it screams, "Buy me." But what it does between spring and midsummer is honestly kind of shocking. I'm talking about tall, ornamental grasses as a privacy solution. Specifically, varieties like miscanthus or non-invasive pampas grass work best here, depending on the hardiness zone you're currently gardening in. You bring home these unassuming little clumps in spring, and by mid-July, they've exploded into 5 to 6 foot swaying fountains. We're talking roughly 90 days from that sad little nursery pot to a full, dramatic, head-height privacy screen. For real. Your neighbors absolutely cannot see through them, but the thin, delicate blades still let that beautiful, golden hour light filter softly in. Your patio doesn't feel like a dark, closed-off cave. It stays bright and open, just completely private. That's the sweet spot. In fall, they grow gorgeous feathery plumes. Leave them all winter, chop to the base in early spring, and they bounce straight back. Now, if bamboo feels a little too casual and organic, and grasses feel too soft and wild, this next one is completely different. Sharp, clean, and almost architectural in the best possible way. I'm talking about the emerald green arborvitae, a total game changer for structure. These are the classic, tall, narrow, evergreen trees you see planted along expensive estates, and they work brilliantly in pots. They naturally grow in a very tight columnar shape, which means they take up almost no horizontal footprint on your floor space. That makes them an ideal fit for a narrow apartment balcony or a small patio where every single inch of space counts. Put a row of these in deep, heavy, frost-proof containers, and they form a solid green wall that nobody is looking through. Cold hardy, zero pruning required, and zero drama. They quietly do their job every season without ever asking for much attention. Before I get to the biggest tip I promised at the start, let me help you pick the right plant for your specific situation. On a balcony or a small enclosed patio? Go with clumping bamboo or star jasmine. On a trellis they grow up, not out. Got more ground space or a garden bed to work with? Ornamental grasses give you the most dramatic result for the least money. Want something ultra clean and structured that looks polished every single season with virtually zero ongoing maintenance involved? Go with the arborvitae. Match the plant to your actual space and lifestyle. That decision alone will save you a lot of frustration down the road. Pick one option, commit to it fully, and you will have real, meaningful privacy before summer is even halfway through. Now here is the biggest secret to making any of these fast-growing plants actually grow fast. Almost every beginner gets this wrong. It all comes down to pot size. That is genuinely it. That single factor is the whole secret, and most people miss it entirely. A lot of people buy a great, fast-growing plant and shove it into a container that is way, way too small for its root system. If those roots have no room to expand downward, the top of the plant immediately stops growing upward. It just stalls out. If you want maximum privacy as fast as possible, buy the biggest and deepest containers that can physically fit in your space. Make sure every container has excellent drainage holes and use a high-quality, lightweight potting mix. Those two things are non-negotiable. Stay consistent with watering, especially through summer. Pots dry out much faster than ground soil, so don't let them go bone dry. You deserve to feel completely comfortable, fully relaxed, and genuinely secure in your own outdoor living space. That's not too much to ask. Pick one of these plants, grab a few large pots, and start reclaiming your privacy this weekend. The process is simpler than you think. One plant, one pot, one weekend, and the view from your patio changes completely. That's all it actually takes to get started. If this video helped you think through your outdoor setup, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps get this content seen. Subscribe for more practical, no-nonsense patio and garden ideas, the kind of stuff you can actually go out and act on. I'll see you in the very next video. Go get those pots, pick your plant, and make it happen this weekend. Take care.